Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to direct edit move. For example, I will create a rectangle and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to use direct edit move, you can click this icon direct, choose move option, and there are two options. You can choose face or solid. So for the first, I will use face. You can select this top face and you can move to the bottom here to move. Click plus icon to apply. So you can see we have this direct move icon. To edit, you can double click. Then I will edit again into here. Click plus icon again to apply. The second option, you can move by using solid option. So you can select the solid object. You can move in y-axis, x-axis, or z-axis. If you're done, you can click plus icon. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to direct edit move. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.